The sun is shining. Hello, morning. Hello, sun. I make my bed every day. Neat and tidy, just like that. Brush, brush, brush my teeth. Wrong. Wash, wash, wash the sleep away. Look at my shiny white teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bubbles pop. Ready for the farm. 1. My boots are ready too. Yummy, yummy breakfast food. Milk makes me strong and good. I help clean up the table. Teamwork makes it fast. Don't forget the duck food. Let's go outside. We are going to the farm. With a happy, happy, happy heart. Goodbye, house. See you later. Riding down the road. Green trees everywhere I see. Look! A blue pond. Blue water and yellow sun. I hold on tight for safety. Do you hear the quack quack? Quack quack, I hear a duck. Daisy Duck is waiting for us. Over the bridge we go. 1, 2, 3, 3 little ducks. Hello, ducks. We are here. The air smells so fresh. Time to get to work. Step down carefully. Safety first. Let's clean the duck house. Woo! Sweep, 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 sweep the floor. Make it clean for ducks to sleep. I will clean this corner too. New straw is soft and warm. Oops, I dropped it. Let me help you, Tom. Thank you for helping.
Happy hat about your bill, and it boat your barn. Right, guy?
Huh? Scrub, scrub, make it shine. Fresh water for thirsty ducks. We must save water. Don't spill. What do ducks like to eat? They love corn and green veggies. This is healthy food. Now the house is clean. Good job, team.
Come in, happy ducks. Waddle, waddle to your home.
Safe and sound inside. Feeding time for the swimmers. Quack, quack. Dinner time. Eat, eat, little ducks. Peck, peck at the corn. Lo, yay, narn, whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4 eating. That one is very hungry. They have orange beaks. Splash! Into the water. Swim, swim, happy ducks. Paddle, paddle with your feet. Look at the water circles. That one swims fast. Away. That one swims slow. One swims slow. They fold their mommy in a line. I am a duck too. Quack. You are a funny duck, Tom. Stay back. Don't fall in. Safety first, near water. Ducks live in the pond and land. So soft and fluffy. Be gentle with animals. Playtime is over now. Time to find eggs. Hunting for the eggs. White eggs hiding here. I see 3 eggs here. Hold it gently. Don't break it. Safe in the basket. Safe in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. This pile has more eggs. They are creamy white. Let's carry it together. Heavy basket, strong team. Secure the load. Goodbye, ducks. See you soon. Quack, quack, goodbye. Bell ring. What a fun day! The sun is going to sleep. Going home, going home. To our house, to our home. We are back safe. Let's show Mom and Dad. Wash hands after farm work. Clean hands, healthy me. I love the ducks. We must protect animals. Being hardworking is fun. Be curious and kind.